Welcome back to Technologia 2050. The line between humans and machines is fading faster than ever. Around the world, scientists and engineers are building automatic human machines, humanoids that can walk, talk, think, and even work like us. But what exactly are these machines? How do they function? And could they one day replace us? Let's dive into the future of humanity's most advanced creation. Automatic human machines are robots designed to replicate human behavior and intelligence. Unlike traditional robots, they aren't limited to single tasks. They can adapt, learn, and perform a wide variety of functions just like real people. From Japan's lifelike androids to Tesla's Optimus robot, humanoids are evolving rapidly. These machines can walk, lift, speak, and even express facial emotions, making them eerily similar to humans. What makes these robots automatic is artificial intelligence. Their brains are powered by advanced AI that allows them to process language, make decisions, and respond to their environment in real time. Modern humanoids can run, balance, and handle objects with precision. Companies like Boston Dynamics are building robots that can do parkour, carry heavy loads, and navigate rough terrain like a trained soldier. Factories are already using humanoid robots to replace human workers in repetitive or dangerous jobs. From assembling electronics to delivering packages, automatic human machines are proving more efficient than humans. In hospitals, humanoid machines are being trained to assist doctors, comfort patients, and care for the elderly. They can lift patients, monitor vital signs, and even provide companionship to lonely individuals. Imagine coming home to a humanoid robot that cooks, cleans, and manages your schedule. Automatic human machines are slowly entering homes as personal assistants, and one day, they might be as common as smartphones. Governments are exploring humanoid machines for security and defense. Future robots could patrol streets, assist soldiers, and even fight wars, raising serious ethical concerns about giving machines power over life and death. Automatic human machines promise a world of efficiency, safety, and convenience. But critics warn they may also take jobs, reduce human interaction, and spark ethical debates about what it means to be human. Automatic human machines are no longer science fiction. They're here, learning, working, and evolving. The next decade will decide whether they remain tools or become something much more. If you enjoyed this look into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Technologia 2050. Because the future of humanity may soon depend on the humans we build ourselves.